Hello guys, I'm a new Geometry Dash creator. I've been trying to finish all of the main levels. I have one left. I hope you guys enjoy my videos that I make. I've beaten 9 demons, only I'm not that good but decent I guess. These are the demons I've beaten. These are the demons I'm trying to beat right now. Skeletal shenanigans. And 9 circles. Thanks for watching, bye.